at the English Education Center.
And my name is Hana. I'm the staff of English Education Center.
And today we have a special treat for you. We are going to make Tangerine Ade or Hagul Ade. Hana, what is Hagul?
Hagul is a kind of tangerine, but we normally pick the tangerine December or January. But in Hagul, we pick up the late spring or summer. So it's a little bit bigger than normal tangerine and a little bit more sour.
Right, very good. So, this here yellow color, we are going to pick some tangerines now, okay?
Okay,
Let's go. Don't touch, coronavirus. Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Alright, Hana, are you ready?
I'm ready.
We picked a lot thanks to all of our staff members here.
A lot.
It smells really, really good. So, let's go inside to make some aid.
가자. Bye.
Alright, and now we are back inside ready to make our Hagul Ade. So, all of the things you need are right here. So first we need Hagul, right, tangerines, the ones that we freshly picked. Hana and I made sure that we washed all of our Hagul, even though you don't eat the outside, it's still good to wash. So what else do we have? What do we have here?
I have a knife
Great,
to cut,
perfect, and
ice.
good. And then these tools here, let's explain. First, this is a juicer. So you're going to take Hagul, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice into here. And you want to pour the juice through this. Hana, do you know what this is?
Strainer, right?
Right, very good. This is a strainer. So you know if you have orange juice or other kinds of citrus juice, when you squeeze out the juice, some seeds and some parts of the fruit come out. We don't want that in our aid, so after juicing it, we pour the juice through the strainer, and it'll strain out all the seeds and extra bits of fruit. Once we've done that, we have the juice in here. We'll take one glass, fancy glass. Hana will put in some ice. You can add as much juice as you want, and then we'll add Sprite. We're using Sprite because Sprite is very sweet. And as Hana mentioned, Hagul is
So sour.
sour, right? So we need the sugar to make the Hagul juice delicious, okay? Hana, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, first let's cut a
And-
tangerine.
Yeah, I'll cut and you squeeze.
Juice. All right,
Okay.
let's get going. Make sure if you're doing this at home to wash your hands or use gloves like us. Hana, Hana, Hana. Ooh.
Okay.
You can see the skin here is really thick. Okay, so you're going to. Ooh. Okay, so we have some juice here. As you can see, there are some seeds. So we have the strainer, and then pour. And the strainer will pick up all of the extra bits of the fruit and the seeds. This extra part of the fruit is called pulp. Pulp. You don't want the pulp in your juice.
Okay, we finished.
Right.
To squeeze.
Hana is a much better squeezer than I am. So we got about 4 hagul worth of juice inside of here. So what we're going to do first, we're going to put some ice into our cups.
Okay.
Great. So Hana, you made this before, so I'll trust you. How much juice do you think we should put in this cup?
Maybe 1/3.
A third? Okay,
1/3.
let's do that.
Okay. Next, fill the glass
And then
with soda.
you can add as much juice in as you want. Just remember that it's going to be sour. So we are choosing 1/3, but you can do as much as you want. And then the remaining part of your cup, just fill with Sprite. Okay. So now we are going to get some special guests to come test out our juice and see if our Hagul Ade is delicious. So we'll be back in 1 sec and check out how this tastes. Okay, now we are back with 2 special guests. Woo! Can you introduce yourselves to our audience?
Okay. I'm the new director of this education center. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I am Debbie. I'm working in English Education Center.
Great. So now we are all going to try Hagul Ade. Let us know how it tastes. But first, cheers!
Cheers!
You should drink everything.
Boom!
Amazing!
So
refreshing.
Yeah, it is really refreshing. This is nice.
Tastes like wake-up drink.
Yeah. David, do you like it?
I like
Awesome.
Yeah, and this Hagul is very fresh. We picked.
Right, we
So,
picked
yeah,
20
maybe.
minutes ago.
It's very fresh.
Really good. Awesome. So we hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment below. Let us know if you make this Hagul Ade. How did it taste? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.